So there we have it. Bunch of parts gone. I need to pull the spark plugs off so I don't break them putting the manifold back in. But I was wrong. I thought it was this cylinder exhaust leaking. It was not. It was that right there. That donut leaked. So I didn't have to pull the whole manifold. And I thought I saw that with the camera. And I don't know. And that's definitely the leak. So I could have attempted to do it, or I could have dropped the other side and got them both replaced, but oops. I just replaced the gasket here and that, and slap her back in.